blooms.
Lobilia
The
cardinalis.
inflorescence down in the water, and every one of these leaf axils will produce a baby plant.
Mine keeps dying. I keep getting that, and it keeps never making it. But I thought it's supposed to just make a billion babies, and is there something?
They'll die down and disappear almost.
And then they never come back from mine.
Well,
You get frost. I wonder if that makes a difference.
There's snail bait. If you've got garden snails, they
Sometimes, yeah.
full of alkaloids. I know that I've got some in Rancho Santa Fe, and I just to get some color in there when the owners are going to be in town, I brought a bunch of my 4-inch potted lobelias and stuck them in there in the pots.
Huh?
And I took some of them out, but I missed a couple, and they sank down into the water. They were about this far down, and my next discovery of them was, I cleared away some stuff, and there they were down there, all this beautiful submerged foliage. They sell this as an aquarium.
Oh.
And so here's all this lovely, light green and reddish leaves growing up through about a foot of water. So, sometimes, I don't know where you looked or what you did.
Yeah, they're gone. My koi got them, or snails. I don't have a lot of snails or slugs. It's an island in my pond with other potted plants, and all my black taro survives for years. So I thought it can't be too sensitive if black taro makes it. It should be a pretty good climate for it.
I don't know what to say.
Could be the koi.
It's just luck, huh?
Develop the taste.
Maybe as you see it going dormant, yank it out of the pond. Because they'll grow, again, in that moist soil right there. It's a little hot. But, they'll grow. They sell them as terrestrial plants.
Huh.
There's a whole bunch of them out there now. There was this one, cardinalis, and then there's one called syphilitica, which makes they call it the royal blue lobelia. God, those are beautiful flowers. But they grow in drier ground. I've told the story of me finding it in Michigan, and I had looked for years in the wet ground, and one time I saw it, they had a drought, and it was growing on the island in the middle of the Wadjack Creek. It was, several feet above the water. There were 1,000 plants there, and I'd never seen any sign of them before.
Wow.
But then there are hybrids of those. There's purple ones and lavender ones. I mean, there's all sorts of lobelias out there. This is the only one that will grow with its feet in the water, its crown underwater.